Tahu ini boko.
가 잠깐만. From I'm from Kambiko village, Tawang district, Manipur. As a victim of this hailstorm. In yesterday around 2 p.m. This event is happened. This climate change events affect various households in Manipur, especially in Tawang district. It causes many household family in our village, and it destroys houses and vegetables and various structures in our village. So as a common people, I would like to say that from government side, we want to take necessary action as soon as possible for the victim families. Take immediate. We would like to provide immediate relief materials to the victim families. Whether sudden weather change is mainly caused due to climate change in our Manipur. So if further government take necessary mitigate measures to prepare this natural calamities, to prevent this from huge losses of houses and any others activities affected by this hailstorms.